Ning 11 anyos nga batang bisda kinanay ng nikulit ug pangan sa musical Broadway didto sa New York. Busa Ila-ilahon ta karon si Kayla Teruel. Mayong buntag, maupay nga aga Kayla, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live. Kindly greet all our kapuso this morning, especially your relatives here in Cebu.
Hi everyone, I'm Kayla Teruel. I wanted to say thank you for inviting me, and I also want to say hi to my auntie Jin, my uncle Carl, my grandma Joanne, and my grandpa Pepe Serafin, and all my other relatives in Cebu.
Kyla, first of all, we'd like to know if you have any morning routine to take care of your voice. Can you share this to us?
Yeah. Okay. So sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I would sometimes have some tea to moisten up my throat, and then I would do some warm ups like lip trills, like doing stuff like that to get my voice going.
And speaking of your voice, you got a very lovely voice, Kyla. Who taught you to sing and who inspired you to continue honing this?
So, growing up, I've been around music my whole entire life. And anytime I'm with family, there will always be some type of music. It's not always singing, there's also like instruments involved. So, being around that just helped me develop my singing voice. And my cousin Katrina, she is a phenomenal singer, and she's giving me singing lessons to help me hone my singing.
And because of your talent at your young age as well, you're now making your name in the musical Broadway industry. How did you enter this and became a part of this world of theater arts?
So, to get any role, you have to audition for it. So, how I started auditioning is my cousin Katrina and her fiance Walker. They are very great singers and actors, and they started training me. So my first audition, when I was 7 years old, which was for The Grinch, it didn't go very well. And then my audition afterwards, this is a different audition. It was for The King and I, and I got the role for Princess Yao. And when I experienced it all, I loved it so much that I wanted to do more of it.
Kyla, how do you prepare for your character? Most especially, it's quite difficult to act on stage while singing as well.
So my preparation for my character is making sure my voice is always warmed up. Because for a lot of my characters, I need to go squeaky high, like wee. And I would always run over my lines before I go on stage. And I noticed you mentioned that it's hard to sing and act at the same time. Actually, I think of singing as talking but on pitch. So that kind of helps me act out the scene more.
And so far, what's your most favorite character that you've played so far?
My most favorite character? That would, it would probably be Amaryllis in The Music Man on Broadway, which is what I'm doing now currently.
And of course, to brighten up our morning, can we ask for a sample song? Maybe just a few lines from you?
Sure. Since I'm currently in The Music Man on Broadway, I can sing a couple lines from there. 76 trombones hit the counterpoint, while 110 cornets blazed away. To the rhythm of Harch, 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 all the kids began to march, and they're marching still right today.
Wow, thank you so much for that awesome performance, Kyla. And with that, what can we expect from you this year?
Oh, I actually don't know because I'm constantly auditioning for different things. So let's just say it's going to be a little bit of surprise, but stay tuned.
And to end this interview, Kyla, what's your message for all our kapusos watching us right now?
So my message of hope to the people listening and watching that have dreams and hopes, I would say to work towards it and to commit, because eventually it'll come. If I can do it, you can too.
Daghang salamat, Kyla, and we're so proud of you.
Thank you.